Hey, what's up? So today I'm doing the first fat bike ride of the year. I've got my Surly Pugsley that I have set up single speed. So I'm just gonna kind of tinker around at the dam. Conditions are kind of gooey, but should probably brought a fender with me, but it should be good. Fun first fat bike ride of the year. Ducking and weaving today. The beauty of a fat bike, everything becomes a trail. Good stuff. Apocalypse now. So I figured this would be a good spot to introduce you to this bicycle. This is my Surly Pugsley. I was lucky enough to get this off my buddy John. It's kind of one of the original era fat bikes. Geometry is pretty old school, but super comfortable on a ride like today. I'm using a chain tensioner just because those dropouts are so flexy. Single speed Van Helga tires. The original front wheel, I had to replace the back wheel. The free hub was trashed on it. This bike had a little rust problem, but cleaned it up, ran frame saver on it. The original King headset that John put in it. Hoosfelt stem, Maloka bar, turkey feather. You know, all the basic needs. Solid machine on a gooey day like today. Always got to get a little beach in. My favorite time to go to the beach is in November or December or January. Beat the crowds. tundra of Alum Creek. Good ride. Cold, windy, but a successful first fat bike ride at Alum Creek. That'd be most appropriate to do it in the wind.